If you can breathe into your phone, you might help spot COPD. No lung lab required. COPD often goes undiagnosed, partly because spirometry isn't always available. Our NIH-backed study tested mobile phone auscultation, just recording breath sounds with a phone. With over 90% accuracy, this tech could detect COPD when traditional tests aren't around. Imagine diagnosing remotely, even in underserved areas. The future? Patients self-testing at home, sending results straight to their doctors. Scientific World Research Awards nominations open now. Visit scientificworld.net.